Life is far too precious to spend it constantly in just worrying and worrying and worrying. Nakakatch mo ba sarili mo na lagi ka nag-worry? Kahit matutulog ka na lang, iniisip mo pa rin hindi ka makatulog ng matiwasay. Hindi ka makatulog ng mahimbing, nahihirapan ka. Marami tayong mga naiisip. And sometimes, lalo tayong hindi makatulog or talagang naka-cloud na minsan yung judgment natin kasi mas ina-amplify natin ang mga bagay na hindi natin control. What we can do is replace our worry by replacing what we amplify. I'm not saying na i-deny natin yung realidad na nahihirapan tayo, hindi natin alam kung saan kukuhanin sa pambayad sa ganito or anong gagawin mo sa project. Hindi ko sinasabi i-deny mo. Harapin mo, acknowledge mo, at surrender mo kay Lord. And you amplify that God is bigger than your problem. Amplify that you will grow from that. And kahit na hindi mo talaga alam yung gagawin mo, alam mo that even if things are not under your control, we know that we have a God who is always in control. That's why we can be joyful regardless of the circumstance.